Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka Immanuel Coaching Academy, kedai kesnat jong ka 100-fold Academy Shillong, bat ka AET Bangalore, ka ba Jinghikai bat pentebet iki samla Pule, haki Bynta jing Pule baper-baper. Haswa bakinne yakon iki examen, banyo Leit Pule hakilan baper-baper, kum ka jing Pule hakalan ka kot ka khia. Doctor bat nurse bat kiwi-kiwi, nang ta ka jing Pule ya ka law, hotel management, engineering, bat fashion designing. Ya kani ka Jaka Jinghikai hakani ka nomba Shillong ro, la Plie ne ka sngi ka khandai tedek ukala lingkon. Haka shnong malki hajan ka skol 7 sen. Bar ka jing tmu halor ka jingwan ra ya kani ka Jaka Jinghikai hakani ka jalla. Kalong ban aila dik samla kani ka than, bakin la ban jom, haki examen baper kat kum kalan jing Pule ka baki Kwah manet Pule shaki wei pat ki jalla jong kari bat chabari ru kumjo.
Traveling all over the country and working with the likes of AET, and we found out that our students is still far, in reach in terms of resources, far in reach in terms of the quality coaching that is required. And we did a bit of survey. My team has done an amazing thing, and we realized that almost every competitive exams these days are very centralized, and then governments are trying to streamline everything in a national level. But then if you see other parts of the country, they have amazing facilities where they can catch up with that requirements. But then when we look at the what we have here, we're still far-fetched. And that's the reason we wanted to start ICA in bringing quality coaching in our very own state, and slowly and gradually to get all over the Northeast. We're going to start with
thank you, Lord, for all you've given to me, for all the blessings that I cannot see. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arms, I'll bless your name. Thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord.
I declare open Immanuel Coaching Academy in the name of God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit. Amen.
You can come and have just a look, take inside, come back, come sir. Come, please come. So this is our reception.
This is our reception. The offices are here.
That's the
Very cute,
cabin.
very nice.
Very small cabin, because we're planning to control everything by technology. So for need for all kinds of, and trainers will be coming from all over. This is how the chairs have come, because we have to monitor. The brochure all will be coming. Still under you. And this is one. And all.
How many classrooms?
We have to actually the other one. It'll all. As of now, we're starting with you, but as and when required, we'll be expanding.